Hello everyone, myself Anisha. In my today's video, I will tell you a very interesting topic in solid state chemistry, and the topic is the position of the octahedral hole in the FCC, that is face-centered cubic system. So we all know that what are the number of the octahedral and tetrahedral hole present in a lattice cell, but as a science student we should have a clear knowledge about the position of the tetrahedral and octahedral void space. Okay, now in case of the FCC lattice, what is the number of the octahedral hole? The number of the octahedral hole is the number of the atom which is the contributing to forming the FCC lattice system. So what is that number? The number is the 4, because the corner centered atom contribution is 1 and the face centered atom's contribution is 3, so total is 4. So total number of octahedral hole will also be 4, and total number of tetrahedral hole will be twice of that number, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. Now what is the position of the octahedral hole in case of the FCC lattice? So to octahedral hole means that the total six number of the atoms are forming a void space in octahedral fashion, and in that void space another atom can reside. So concentrating only on the face centered atom position of FCC lattice, then you can see that these 6 atoms can form an octahedral void space, and in this void space another atom can reside depending on the radius ratio. And this octahedral void's position is actually the body centered position of this cube. Okay, so in this octahedral void space another atom can reside. So one octahedral void space is coming from the body centered position of FCC lattice. Now what about other 3? So other 3 positions are the positions from the edge centered atom. So edge centered position. So these edge centered position are actually the octahedral position of the FCC lattice. Now how it is possible? To know that, to imagine that, you have to shift the origin of that lattice system. So this is the origin of this lattice cell, and if you are shifting the origin from here to here, another unit cell you can imagine, and for that unit cell, this position, what is the edge centered position of previous one, is actually the body centered position of this one. That is, by shifting the origin, you can imagine this edge centered position is actually the body centered position of another cube, and this octahedral void is made of this face centered atom of that cube. Okay, so by shifting the origin, you can think about the edge centered position, which is actually the body centered position of another cube, and this is actually the octahedral void space. So number of edge centered position is 12, and each edge centered position is shared by another 4 lattice system. So total contribution of the edge centered position is 12 by 4, which is 3. Okay, so total number of octahedral void position is from the body centered position, that is 1, plus the edge centered position 3, that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So now you can easily understand what are the octahedral position of an FCC lattice system. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can comment on it, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye for today. Take care.